Hopefully this is just as dumb as I'm. Sorry.
Okay, what were the other versions?
Alright, ready? We'll go.
Yeah. You're smiling too much.
What is that sound? We literally the same exact video. You answer the same exact.
What's that sound too?
I was anticipating it.
Kenny's just barricading himself.
What is that sound?
Damn it, I was doing it good too.
Watch this footage later, like, why the f are we laughing?
Okay.
Could you turn on the air? It's so hot in here.
Mooing.
We don't need a director.
Damn it.
What are you doing, sleeping?
Okay.
This is so easy. Wow. This is so dumb.
Yeah.
I'm like directing you, like, no, okay, now you do this.
I really feel like you need some more motivation.
Okay, I'll be desensitized to this pretty soon.
Nobody else is gonna think this. So wait, what am I doing?
You're already laughing.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ever done, ever.
Mo. Mo.
Mooing.
You guys need to go back in the bedroom again. Wow.
Is that good enough?
Do we make this multiple videos or just one video that's like...
It needs to be multiple videos. Like 5 new videos need to appear.
I think so too. Within like the last.
And
how many days until Christmas?
This hat smells not a way a hat should smell.
English to Shakespearean translator. Here we go.
This is ridiculous.
This is the stupidest video I've ever made.
Are you going?
Yes.
I'm pretty tired of doing this.
Wow. Are you serious? That was pretty good. Wow.